How to log in Grindr account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I will show you how you can log into the Grindr app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into your Grindr application, first of all, open up your Play Store and then search for Grindr, and then make sure you've updated the Grindr app to the latest version. Once you've done so, just open up the specific application, and right over here, if you have not yet first created an account, you can tap on the sign up option from the top right and go ahead and simply agree to the terms and conditions in order to finish creating your account. But if you've already created an account either with your email or your phone, you just need to go ahead and then enter those email addresses or your phone number over here. And after you've done that, also make sure to enter your password. Once you enter your email and password, if you forgot your password, then you could tap on the forgot password button. But if not, then you could just tap on the option called login. And once you log in, it will ask you to verify your account with your phone number. So go ahead and enter your phone number, send the code, verify the OTP code, and you'll be successfully logged in to your Grindr app. That's all it takes to log into the Grindr app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.